All right, so welcome to the second section. In this session, we will execute some of the lab sheet tasks on conditional control statements. There's lab sheet 5, 6. So click on the lab sheet. This part. So for week 5, we have lab sheet 5 here. These are the programs. Very simple programs. We'll cover few programs in this one. Okay, write a Java program to read the numbers and check whether it is a even or odd number. Very fundamental if else statement. This one you see. So it says read a number using a scanner and check if the number is even or odd. Just print the number. Right. Let me show you how to do this part. So we have seen this program. So just remove this part here. So how to read a number using scanner. Scanner input equal to new scanner system.in. So we have this part, right? Just right click, fix import. It will import the package automatically. So everyone knows this part here. See this one again. Here say s out. Enter any number, right? Just a number here. So this number is is integer. Example integer number equal to input dot. It is integer, right? Next int, right? Got the number here. Now check the number. If the number, what is the condition for even number and what is the condition for odd number? You need to see the condition. So if a number divides by 2, taqsim by 2, and it's like a mod, it's not division. The remainder, the bagigism, the remainder is equal to 0. There is no remainder. It is like divisible. If the number is divisible by 2, if the remainder is equal to 0, it is an even number. Otherwise, it is a odd number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's like a multiplication of 2. So any number divided by 2, it means it is a divisible by 2. It's a even number. Okay, rakam zawji, rakam farzi, everyone, right? So like this part here. So anyway, so let's see this one. So if this number, how do you say divisible? When you say divisible, you have to use mod operator. Divisible by 2 is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. Just write here the number is even. Okay, then else the number is odd. If you want to print odd, this is odd, right? So this is some spaces are adding here. So I hope it is clear. So this is just divide the number. So this is the condition. You must know the condition, right? Okay, so this will leads always any number you divide it. Okay, it gives always a remainder 0. If it is divided by 2, it is always gives a remainder. So it basically is divisible by 2. It is divisible by, so that's the number is even number. If it is not divisible, that is a odd number, right? So if it is not even, then it is a odd. So run the file, check the output. For example, I have 10, a simple number. You say the number 10 is even number. Let me run the program again, enter the value as 15. You say it's a odd number. It's not divisible. It's not throwing any 0 value. If you want, you can just print the value of number, right? So this is one thing. If you want, okay, that's it. This is the simple first task. Second thing. Now here, write a program to read the number and check whether it's divisible by 5 or not. Same thing. It is like, same, instead of 2, just replace 2 with 5. Okay. So this is the meaning. That's the purpose of adding this. I think you can do this by yourself. Okay. I will skip this program here. Now let's go with another one. Write a program that reads 4-digit integer representing a year. Like you have to enter the year. Then you determine whether the year is a leap year or not. Leap year, no. So leap year, 365 days, 366 days. Okay. So a leap year has 366 days, and it's not then 365. Display the year that you enter message indicating whether it is a leap or not year, right? So a year, what is the conditions here? It's given there. Condition is given. Okay, a year is leap if you see the condition. It is divisible by 4 and not by 100. Let me put this part. Or so this is, you see here, and operation is there, or operation or logical operators are here, right? So you read that one properly. It is divisible by 4. Let's say here leap year, right? So let me, this is in same thing here, year. Instead of year I can say year. All right. So if it is divisible by 4, this one, right, divisible by 4 and not by 100, and is, and how do you write and? This is and right, and here not divisible, not equal to 0, oh, sorry, not divisible by 100, not equal to 0. All right, and not by 100, not by, so it is not divisible by, and it's not equal to 0 of, if you divide with 100. Let me close this one. Okay, so this part, then you see the next condition is, or it is divisible by 400, divisible by 400, or when you say this condition complete, or you can say or, how do you write or? What is a complete? First complete this division, then r here is divided by 400 equal to 0. Close this part. Did I missing something? Sorry, this one extra. All right, so this part is AND operation. It's like AND operator. Here this is R. Either this should be true or this should be true. Any one of them should be true. Then that year is called leap year. Okay, I can say simply year, the year, the entered year, or I can say year, the year. I just want to print the year. You see, I just put it here. Year. What is the year value? Then just display this part is leap year. Right, so extra one here, I can say just copy paste this part here, is here is not a leap year. So if this condition, the year is divisible by 4 and year is not divisible by 100, or year is, I just, if you want you can add more thing, you can add for more clear, you can add this part also, just making the expressions, right? So the r, year is divisible by 400. Let me check the conditions. 400, right? So this is good to go, right? So let's run the file, Java file. Okay, let me stop this part. Yeah, enter any year. Okay, more meaningful. For example, now 2002. The year is not a leap year. Okay, so check by calendar, check by other internet, you can say here. Okay, this is the condition is given, so you can say here 2004 is a leap year. 2004 is a leap year. Okay, so it's clear this part also. Then go ahead. This is called if else statement. Basically this is a condition is true, execute this body, else execute this else body. This is called else. And one more thing, else, in between if and else there should not be any other statement. For example, you cannot write have statement. You cannot write something here like okay, s out, or you can write a equal to 5, I can say here double double D equal to 5.6. Cannot have this statement like this. Although it looks good, double D equal to 5.6, there is no error, but it's not like. You see, this one means the else statement always follow the if statement, right? You can see here else without if. It is not identifying where is my if, right? So where is the if condition? This will has to link with if, right? In between them you are delinking with adding some more expression, something you can adding additional statement, right? So this is not a valid way of writing. Means this else should be following the right away after the if condition. Whenever if close, else must be there, right? So this care must be taken while this kind of questions they might ask in the quizzes and somewhere in the theoretical. So this is part here finished. The next we'll go with the okay. Now I prompt the user, the fourth one, prompt the user to make to enter the marks into two exams, right? Right, to enter marks in two exams. Each exam has 50 marks. Okay. Find the total marks. Display the message pass if the total is greater than or equal to 60, and print fail if the total less than or equal to 60. Display the total marks on the screen. It's just basically simple again. So I'm just using the same screen, Okay. Enter can say marks 1. Okay, then I say here double marks 1 equal to input dot. Okay, next double. I just want to copy this code. I just make it as 2 marks 2. Just remove this part, remove this part. So we have 2 marks, marks 1, marks 2. I'm missing here something. Reached end of line parsing. Maybe I close the brace, that's the reason here. So I got the 2 marks. Then how do you get the total? Total marks equal to total marks 1 plus marks 2. Now see here. So I prompt the user to enter the marks into exams. Right? Any assessments and exams, each marks are 50 out of 50. You can say maximum 50, right? So it's like a 50 plus 50 is 100 marks. Assuming is 100. Display the pass if the total is greater than or equal to. Okay, find the total. I calculate the total here. So this is marks 1. I enter the marks 1. I enter the marks 2. I calculate the total. I need to declare the total here also. Double total marks. Okay. Then you have to display the pass. Display the message pass. Total is greater than 60. Greater than or equal to 60. You need to read the conditions, right? Otherwise fail. Otherwise means less than 60 is fail. So it's how you remember if the total marks is greater than or equal to 60. All right, you can write 60. What is the condition? Then you say s out pass, else, to use else, s out fail. Okay, so say here basically you say we can. He's also say print the total marks. Total marks, total marks. See here basically what you're doing here. I'm scanner. I'm reading 2 marks, marks 1. Okay, my marks 1 and marks 2, right? I'm entering the marks 1 here as double and marks 2 as a double here. Two marks. I'm adding these 2 marks like addition of 2 marks, total marks, cumulative marks. I'm printing the total marks. Then I'm checking if the total is greater than or equal to 60, pass. Otherwise fail. So let's run the file. Let's enter the marks. For example, in your first attempt you got 45 and you got 67. 50 is like 50 only. Okay, so it is like 34. So you got total marks 79. Good, pass. you can improve the program. You have to enter only 50 marks, less than or equal to 50, assuming you are entering the properly, right? So out of okay, this one and you cannot enter like so mostly you can say here. Let's see the condition. You got 4 marks and you got some 7 marks. It's 11, you got fail. You see the result is fail. Right? So we'll add some more conditions. If you can improve the program, like example, if I enter 56, the program should not allow you to enter more than 50. But here there is no such condition. I'm just making my simple condition true or pass or fail. I'm focusing on the result. Okay, so it's like here 66, still 123. There is no possibility of 123 marks, total marks, right? So it's like these are the, again you need to add some conditions. You can improve by yourself, right? But this is just here to we'll see this one later. Okay, let's continue the concept here. So let's go to the next one. Other one, write a program that reads the price of some product, right? The program should calculate and display the discount amount and the price of the product based on the discount on the following criteria. It says read the price of some product. It's saying enter the price of the product. For example, you're buying some laptop, right? Enter the price of laptop. The program should calculate and display the discount amount and the price of the product. So how, for example, you're buying a laptop, if it is 1000, more than 1000 real, of course, laptop from more than 1000 or greater than or equal to 1000, they are applying a discount of 10%. Otherwise, they are giving a discount is 5%. Minimum discount they are paying is 5%. If it is more than 1000 or equal to 1000, you get the 10% discount, right? So let's do this part here. So I just I keep this one. Okay, let's me create a new one and Java main class. This is discount. I don't know whatever what is the name. Let me find out the good name. Right, the program to there's no name is given, right? You can just some product price, okay, purchase. You can write anything, okay. Product discount, okay. Just say this is the name, right? Try to write a good name. So I just click this part, remove this one. So basically I will copy this part, copy this part, this 3 part from the previous program to save my time. Just say okay, to automatically import the package and to write, okay, just formatting, enter the product price. Okay, the price is just right here, price, right? Now if the price is greater than or equal to 1000, right? What is the discount? Now I want to calculate the discount here. Discount equal to, what is the discount here? It says the discount says here 10%. Says calculate and display the discount amount. Right? Then I discount is what's the price here? Price amount multiply 0.110, 10%, right? 0.1. This is how you calculate the discount, right? But you did not declare it, right? Discount. So you can say double. Okay. All right. So double discount equal to price. Then you take this you get the discount here. Okay. Else, now basically you see here discount. Again, I cannot write double discount. I can say discount equal to price multiply 0.05%. Okay, what is mistake here? Variable declaration not allowed here. Okay, since it is expressions, I need to declare. Now this variable is declared outside, so better you declare it from the beginning or first line within the main double discount. Got it. Now this discount will be, the value of discount will calculate based on the condition, you know, is if it is greater than this one, okay. Or you can say else if can put it another one, or else I can say 0 point percentage. As I said here, it's again provide the condition. You say for more perfect, it is provide the condition, but it's less than 1000, less than 1000. It will go minus. You know, there is if else statement. So it's else this percentage. Now you say here print here is out discount is, what is the discount amount? Discount. I'm printing a discount, okay. But now I had to calculate the discount amount. How do you calculate? I can say what is the year? It's a year and the price of the product after the discount. After discount, how do you calculate after discount? You need to do minus, subtract the discount from the product price, right? So you got the discount here, you got the discount value here. So based on the price you enter, now after the, how do you get the after discount price? You can say final price. Let me put final price. That's a double value. Again, final price equal to from your price minus, you remove the discount, remove the discount value, right? Now you print it S out final price payment. I can say final amount, say final price or price amount. You can use any variable. I hope it is very clear. So let's send the file. First you need to put the value here. Example, you have 1000. You know the discount is 100, 10% is 100. Now remove 100 from 1000, it is 900. Perfectly working. Now let's check the another condition. Example, your price is 800. It's 40. 5 into 8 is 40, yes. And you remove the 40 from 800, it is, so it's 5% discount. 5% discount. You can write here discount applied. You can say simply here you can write more if you want. Discount applied, what type of discount is applied. You know, you applied 5% discount or less, or 10% discount. You can add further into the same program. Think and you can add the same thing over into it, okay. So the next thing is this part is fifth one, okay. So next class, next session I will record, I will complete the remaining, okay. Maybe some you can try by yourself. The task is simple. For this one, make sure you add which type of discount you got it. Either you got 10% discount or 5% discount. Think of it and try to improve that one, okay. That's it.